Since you're watching this video, it means you care about your dog's physical and emotional well-being. A dog door helps create a really well-adjusted dog. A doggy door provides your dog with free will to go in and out as they please. You wouldn't want to beg to go out and chase a squirrel or to relieve yourself, would you?
It's all about free will, man!
In just a few seconds, I'm going to show you a unique approach to dog doors that may give you some ideas for creating the best outdoor access for your dog. We've had many dogs and many houses, and in each one, we built a dog door that enabled our dogs to go in and out as they needed. The inspiration for this dog door solution came from a memorable movie I saw as a kid, The Great Escape. In the film, soldiers in a German POW camp created a trap door in their barracks and dug a tunnel to a location outside the fence. Hogan's heroes used this storyline with a trap door under a bed, a tunnel, and exits popping up all over the area. The challenge was before me. Create a trap door in the house, a long tunnel, and an exit into the yard. There are hidden spaces within most houses to create a trap door. In this house, I used some space under the stairs and behind a cold air return. The route goes into the wall, through a cutout in the subfloor, down 4 steps to the ground level of the crawl space, 60 feet through a series of tunnel sections, and popping out a hole in the foundation to the outside. I camouflage the access by building a doghouse in front of the exit. There you have it, a doggy door, doggy tunnel system, and a concealed exit to the yard. It's been used tens of thousands of times over the last decade, and I haven't heard any complaints. We'll let Piper show you how she uses it. Hey Piper, there's a squirrel in the backyard. Piper, thanks for helping out with the video today. Do you want your dinner?